want to try it? Oh, come on. Open up. What's that? That's food, buddy. You like it? You want to try a little more? Good job. Good job.
Your poopy's gonna smell extra good tonight for mommy.
Yeah. Good job. Look at that big spoonful you took. Oh my God, you're doing so good, buddy. Yummy, yummy. You're trying to steal the spoon? I think you like it.
Is that good?
Is that good? You like that? Look at them green beans. Good boy. Okay. You can play with this in your hand. He's not even interested in the napkin. I think you like real food, buddy.